Hello YouTube. This video was taken last day, January 2025 at Cebu City from SM City paadto mi sa Mactan and Lapu-lapu. This is CCLEX. CCLEX Bridge. 470 meters, medyo malayo. We are riding a bicycle. Pagkita mo yung mga barko, mga small boat, and malaki din ang bridge. At the left side, it is about the building of IT Park. Sa kaliwang banda, maraming mga overlooking ng mga bahay doon sa medyo mataas na lugar, overlooking mansion, subdivision. Beside, may release siya kasi that side was the bicycle lane. Maraming nagbike-bike dyan, doon sila ang pwesto nila. And then the left side are overlooking mountain with there are lots of houses. The sky this day was cloudy sky. Look at, and parang it looks like the sky and sea having their horizon meaning parang nag-abot yung langit at dagat. See? Diba? Nag-abot ba sila? Pag matingin ka sa malayo you can see the horizon. See? Between the sea and the sky. Parang nag-abot sila sa dagat. Pero sa totoong buhay, if you have, pero hindi naman niya nag-abot. Our speed, it seems like 40 kilometer. 40 kilometer. We are small running tricycle. No, motorcycles. It's not a tricycle because tricycle tulo ang ligid ana niya. Oh, don't look at my face because my face was tanned because Philippines is Pacific, mainit. You are white skin, magbilad ka sa araw, you get vitamin D, pero maging brown yung skin mo, mag-tan. Because Philippines is a Pacific country and there are 7,107 islands. So maraming islands ang Philippines. One of the biggest islands is Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, then Cebu, Leyte, somewhere like that, and Boracay, island talaga. Island meaning napapalibutan ng dagat. Parang uulan ang sky.